We have one topic left to cover when it comes to async tasks, informing about the progress during an action. Let's assume that instead of one long waiting delay, we have, for instance, 100 waiting delays at 100 milliseconds each. We'll use a classic loop for that purpose. Each time the I parameter changes, we inform about this. We use the publish progress method, which allows us to pass the data regarding the progress that took place. Here, we pass the array of values we declared in the async task. In our case, these are integers, and we'll pass the I parameter here. The information about the progress reaches the onProgressUpdate method. This is yet another method called in the UI thread. It's automatically synchronized. The moment we send publish progress, the method is informed about the changes in the UI thread. Having the data at our disposal, we can log it. This time, after entering the data and clicking the Login button, we receive information about the progress in the logcat. After finishing the loop, another activity is started. This mechanism can also be used, for instance, to modify the text on the Login button using the setText method. Now we can see the changing value on the inactive button. If we tried to do this without using the publish progress method, but using an ordinary text change on the button, the moment we tried to set the value, we'd get an exception which would inform us that only the thread which created the views could modify them. That is why the async task methods operating in UI threads are so useful. We already have the code which we can use to call long-term operations. In the next module, we'll deal with calling HTTP queries in order to actually test the login.